So let's start building out milestones and those things that are going to really affect getting this project done. So we're doing a CCTV project, so we're going to create our first milestone after it's been sold. I'm going to call it pre-installation checklist. It's going to start today. It needs to be done by the end of the month. Who's responsible? I'm going to make Sarah Inventory responsible. The inventory manager is going to make sure this job is ready to go. Internal, external. Are we going to let the client know the status of this task list? On this, no, I'm not, because there might be information on pricing and costs and things that you don't want them to see, and they don't really need to see until you start their project. So for this bit, I'm going to leave them out of the loop. I'm going to add it. So within that, I can add little sections, and again, you can be if you've got a template, it can already pre-build this stuff. So you could, if you're doing an installation, there might be 10 things that you have to do on every single one, which generally it is. So it'll be receive. I always spell receive wrong. Receive all paperwork. Add a task. Customer sign off. Add order equipment. I'm a bit out of the loop. I haven't done this for a while. Receive equipment. Job box ready. So if you have some sort of place where you store all the inventory before it goes out. So that's just sort of the checklist to get that milestone done, right? So when you go milestones now, you're going to see that you've got 10 days to do it, but there's nothing actually assigned yet. So there's different ways of getting to places. You can assign a task to a milestone. Add a task, and then down here, task list, you can pick which one on that milestone it goes to. Or you can go to the milestone and click a task, a checklist, and then add a task. So again, as I keep saying, Zoho's got many different ways of getting to the same place, so it's a really cool way of doing it, isn't it?